There we go. We're still stuck here. Take that. I fixed it. Yeah. One more. What the? Turn. Yeah. Spin. What? Did. Aha! I did it, right? Oh, come on. What do I have to do to free this guy? I can't free this guy. No matter how much pain we put him through, he's permanently stuck in ice. Let's push him into the water, to his watery grave. New evil goal. Well, not an evil goal. A new goal to take out evil. If they're frozen and stuck frozen, make them die with water power. So, push, Zane, push. Yeah, attacking won't do anything to them, but it will help to push them into their watery grave. Yes, water grave time! Water grave! Yes. Finally did it.
That's how it's done. Now
Good.
tell you I'm the real Batman. Glad I'm all ears.
You know what? Who cares? I didn't really restart anything. Just push them into their watery or otherwise deadly death. Bro. Whoa! Ah! I can glitch him and make it look like he's going, ah! Well, you know what? No howdy for you! You're dead now. Wait. Is he back to where he was, like, because if he's back to where he was sighing, or saying sigh, rather, then I can go see him right now. Dang! And what's this water about? Can I sink under it? I did! Tricky man. Tricky. No, you don't. I can kill you, so you don't have to. Like a movie Batman? It's dead. I flung him so hard, like, that he literally is no longer amongst the living in the, or respawning. Here comes the delve. Ooh, a vine. What's on this vine? Let me grab. I grab the vine. Huh? Yeah, I beat you, Benny. Aha. So I don't have to hear, hey. No, I already fixed it. Oh. Where'd I go? Did I do something? Oh, I know exactly what I have to do. Guys, next goal. Turn the old do the same thing Benny did, but to the old west sign instead of the Middle Zealand sign. Because we already fixed the Middle Zealand sign. Hip go? Did I destroy it so good? I didn't realize this until now, but destroy the sign of the Old West? It's gone completely! We are mass murderers. So now, we need another gold brick. Or at least something of value. No! I'm done with you, Benny. Boom! Arrgh! Really? I already fixed the freaking Middle Zealand sign. It was like over here, wasn't it? Wait, this... I never remembered. Hey! No one's cooking no pig! No one's cooking no pig. Batman? Batman! For the win! I'm the only one who can get up here with this. Because I'm Batman. There. Edgeguard. Super Smash Bros. Edgeguard. Wait, turn yourself around, Bat. Got some more milk. And that. Oh crap! We need aim down here. Come on, guys. We need to find Batman. There's Batman. Ah. Okay, good. I'm still intact. Shink Shaha Kaya what? You'll never guess what I can find in here. We found more vipes, guys. Vipes? What are vipes? And these vipes, pipes, we seem to can't go beyond this wall. Let's go, run, run, run. Well, actually, we'll have to leave this video here because I'm afraid my power's about to go out. Well, see you guys later.